Hello guardians, this is my second video to unboxing alarm security system for bike. We unbox this. Wait a minute. You will got this slip. You can this type of bill you will got in that box. Let's come to box. We will unbox this. After you unboxing, you will got this type of things in that box. Two keys. This type of buzzer in that. In this type of main inverter. By the shop line. And this type of sticker you will got in that box. And this is for to stick this main operator, and here you got this for the that. Comes to the bill. This is from Shopline and shipping charges 60 rupees from Flipkart and total 997. This product is for 997. Total price 1057. All including all taxes. Bike alarm. Shopline 2-way bike alarm kit. Total So this is my video. Like it, share it, and subscribe my channel.